Welcome, guys. It's Trendy Styles Forever. Keep watching.
Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much. It's a wonderful time to be here on Trendy Styles Forever, where you definitely find some beautiful and amazing styles. Talking about your braided hairstyle looks. Right now, you're watching new and latest Black women cornrow braids hairstyles, picture ideas. That should definitely help them stand out, and it's absolutely trending. You can find unique braids with cornrow hairstyle looks you probably haven't seen before. We do encourage you to watch this video through the end. It has variations of views, the back, the side and back and front view. We want you to always stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. We always encourage you to watch the video through the end. This is a wonderful time to look outstandingly gorgeous. If you're in Brazil, you're in Nigeria, you're in America, you're definitely going to find styles like this trending right now within your location. Go right ahead and try it out for yourself. Go to a professional stylist close to you and get these hairstyles done for you. We have made it easy for you to know exactly what the style will look like at the end of its finishing or conclusion, talking about the views that we have showcased to you. If you want an exact copy of this hairstyle look, do well to tell your hairstylist that this is what you want, how you like it. Go right ahead and subscribe to this channel. We have tons of amazing videos on queue coming up very soon just for you to pick styles from. You need not be worried every time you have your next hair appointment. This is a channel that is here for you to help you each and every time you need to make your next hairstyle, and of course for you to make that decision when it comes to getting the very best and amazing inspiration via the pictures that we share for you. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned to what we'll be bringing forward to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not also forget to leave us a like and share the video. Keep coming back for more. You can share a comment with us on our comment section and we'll be glad to get back to you. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.
watching.